So today is Mother's Day. While I am not a mother, I am a mother to a fur child. Why did I say it like that? So today is Mother's Day, and I am not a mother, but I am a mother to a fur baby who's eating all in his mouth, all in his mouth. Me and him are headed to my parents' house to spend Mother's Day with my mom, and we're throwing her a tea party. We throw my dad tea parties too. It's funny, because my dad actually likes tea. My mom hates tea, so in place of tea, we use wine. I can't really feed him anything because he'll throw up in the car, so he's just gonna eat this treat and digest it until 10, which is in about 30 minutes, and I'm hungry. Gotta go eat. Speaking of hungry, wearing my Hunger Games shirt. That was cheesy as hell, I know. Wow. Hunger Games, Hunger Games. Yummy, yummy cake that I made. Have our little cheese and cracker, little tiny cheese and cracker platter that Mom likes. And Thor's eating this cheese that's sitting over here, so yeah. Who doesn't like to see a puppy playing with toys? Playing with a bone? You ignoring me? Oh, I'm sorry. You having fun in Grandma's house? What are you doing? I think he's looking for more cheese. You looking for cheese? You looking for some more cheese? Do you want some cheese? Does that mean yes? You want some cheese? Looks his mouth every time. Do you want some cheese? Cheese? So my mom bought me Star Wars Toss Across. She found it at Walgreens for $2.99. I was 25. This is what the dog was listening to?
Yeah.
Oh, right now he's chewing on a sock. He doesn't care. You don't care? You play with the socks?
Yep, I
Oh,
had him.
look.
I had him listen to
Okay.
that. Come on, Henrietta.
Someone's tired. Just in case you heard that burp, that was Jennifer, my sister. Someone's tired. Not like you did a whole lot today. Aww. He kind of looks like a Falcor laying like this. Falcor! They better not ever make another never-ending story. My mom is so weird. So she calls me Bubbles. And I had hurt my thumb. Well, my thumb. I don't know what finger I hurt. I hurt my pinky. So she got me a get well soon card. Get well quick. I hope you lick whatever it is that's making you sick. And it says, Mom said that you should lick the table that you hit your finger on. She's dumb. Summer Bubbles Brew. Yes, that is my mother. She's weird. That's not a puppy. That's a cat. Hi. There's orange cats there, and there's an orange cat here. Aww.